Capture stunning aerial footage without spending a fortune. Modern budget drones now offer stable flight, HD cameras, and user-friendly controls for beginners and hobbyists alike. This best affordable drone offers reliable performance, easy handling, and impressive features at a great price. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K drone stands out as one of the best affordable options for users who want premium features without a complicated setup. Weighing under 249 grams, it removes the hassle of FAA registration for recreational use, making it highly accessible for beginners. The highlight is its 4K Ultra HD camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal, which delivers impressively smooth and cinematic footage, even in less than ideal lighting conditions like sunrise or dusk. Stability is another strong point, as it can handle level 5 winds with ease thanks to its efficient brushless motors, giving you confidence during outdoor flights. Battery performance is flexible depending on the package you choose, with up to 93 minutes of total flight time, which is excellent for extended shooting sessions. The drone is also beginner-friendly, offering one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering, ensuring a stress-free learning curve. While the DJI Fly app requires downloading from the official website instead of Google Play, it still offers a smooth user experience.
Number 2. RELIDOL 3D Flip Drone. The RELIDOL 3D Flip Drone is designed for fun, accessibility, and ease of use, especially for beginners or casual users. One of its most convenient features is the built-in screen on the remote controller, eliminating the need for a smartphone while still allowing you to view live HD footage and flight data. Its 1080p HD camera captures decent aerial shots and is adjustable to suit different angles, making it suitable for selfies, casual photography, or even checking hard-to-reach areas like rooftops. The drone offers a variety of entertaining flight modes, including 360-degree flips, waypoint flying, circle flight, and gravity control, adding excitement to every session. It also supports voice commands, which simplifies operation and adds a modern touch to the experience. Safety features like propeller guards, emergency stop, and low battery alerts make it a dependable option for new pilots. With 2 batteries providing up to 25 minutes of flight time, it offers good value for its price.
Number 3. Tolatoyus Foldable Drone. The Tolatoyus foldable drone offers a balanced mix of performance and portability, making it a solid choice for users looking to explore aerial photography on a budget. Its 4K camera delivers clear and detailed footage, and the 45-degree adjustable lens allows you to capture creative angles with ease. Powered by brushless motors, the drone provides improved durability and better wind resistance compared to standard models, ensuring stable flights even in slightly challenging conditions. A standout feature is the built-in LCD screen on the controller, which enables real-time FPV viewing without relying heavily on a smartphone. GPS functionality enhances reliability with features like automatic return on low battery or signal loss, giving users peace of mind during flights. It also includes advanced modes such as follow me, waypoint navigation, and circle flight, making it capable of producing more cinematic shots. The foldable design and included carrying bag make transportation simple, while the 20-minute battery life is sufficient for most casual sessions. Overall, the Tolatoyus drone combines smart features and ease of use, making it a practical option for beginners and hobbyists alike.
Number 4. Hocany 13-12-foot drone. The Hocany 13-12-foot drone is built with a strong focus on safety, control, and reliable performance. Its GPS technology plays a crucial role in delivering stable flights, allowing precise positioning and reducing the chances of drifting. The return to home function is especially valuable, automatically guiding the drone back in case of low battery or signal interruption, which adds an extra layer of confidence for users. Equipped with a 4K camera and a wide-angle lens, it captures high-quality photos and videos, making it suitable for capturing landscapes or family moments from unique perspectives. The adjustable camera angle enhances flexibility, letting you frame shots exactly how you want. Brushless motors improve wind resistance and overall efficiency, ensuring smoother flights even outdoors. Additional features like Follow Me and Circle Fly modes enable creative filming, especially when tracking movement. The drone also benefits from optical flow positioning, which helps maintain stable hovering and better control. While it requires careful handling for long-term durability, the Hocany drone delivers dependable performance and user-friendly features, making it a strong contender in the affordable drone category.
Number 5. Loiley Upgrade Drone. The Loiley Upgrade Drone is a compact and travel-friendly option that prioritizes simplicity and convenience. Its 2K HD camera provides clear visuals for casual photography and video recording, and the 90-degree adjustable lens allows users to experiment with different shooting angles. Designed with beginners in mind, the drone includes one-touch takeoff and landing, headless mode, and intuitive controls that make flying straightforward even for first-time users. Optical flow positioning enhances stability by helping the drone maintain its position in the air, which is particularly useful when capturing photos or videos. The altitude hold feature further improves control, ensuring smoother footage without constant manual adjustments. One of its biggest advantages is portability, as the foldable design and lightweight build make it easy to carry in a backpack or even a pocket. Since it weighs under 250 grams, it also avoids FAA registration requirements, making it hassle-free to use. While it may not offer advanced features like higher-end models, the Loiley drone delivers solid performance for its price, making it a great choice for beginners and casual users.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.